Brand new Destined rivals.
Hey, let's go.
DOPEORBROKE.
I was fortunate enough to get my hands on some Destined rival packs. So let's open them up and check out these new cards. Team Rocket's Venture Bomb and a Team Rocket's Articuno. We have 2 packs left. Here we go. Hippopotas. Team Rocket's Ekans. Combuskin. Team Rocket's Great Ball. Team Rocket's Orbital. A Rapidash. A Hippodon Reverse. Kangaskhan Reverse. And we hit the Electivire Full Art. Really cool card. And let's see if we can get some last pack magic. Here we go. Wash Rotom. MC's Hype. Porygon 2. Another Rapidash. A Scrafty. TM Machine. Team Rocket's Grimer. Misty's Gyarados Reverse. And Rapska EX. See you next time.